Hello there. Today we'll be unboxing the Apple Vision Pro so we can further development processes. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, here we have our Apple Vision Pro in a bag. Let's pull it out. All right, I'm just gonna flip it over. Oh, there's the lenses. All right, drop that off. Looks like there's a tab over here. So we're just gonna peel away at this tab. All right, that's one. Another tab over here. Two. All right, I think that released it. Okay, here comes the box. All right, wonderful. So nothing in here. And let's see what we got. We just have the Apple Vision Pro here. Like this could be just a stand on its own, right? Essentially. All right. So we just lift this, and this is gone. Great. Let's see. Nothing here. Just a stand. All right, we have a little packet here, polishing cloth, and we have some documentation. That's it. Okay, light seal cushion, another cushion. Okay, Vision Pro. Looks like it's a bunch of documentation. Oh, look at that, fun. They have a nice little booklet about things about the Vision Pro. All right, very good. Dual loop band. This is another band that we can use. Check that out. Very good. All right, put that back in there. All right, we have a battery. So that's a really nice battery. Very heavy thing. All right. Let's see. Open these up. Great. And uncoiled. Let's see what this is. And this up. We have our battery right there. Okay. What else do we have? We have another USB-C cable for charging. Oh, we can't use enough have enough of these. Nicely threaded, of course. And let's see there's a charger here. It's a 30-watt brick, I believe. Let's take a look. Oops. Let's see. You open this. Well, there it is. All right. This is a brick. Let's see. 30-watt, I believe. You can see that. Cool. And with that, that's the entire box. That's everything. And putting that aside, here's our device. Very cool. Unpack these parts. And it's rolling around. Great. And we can start using it now. Perfect. Here are the lenses. So I'm going to open this up as well because I have glasses. I kind of need these. So let's clear this. Ooh, that's heavy. All right, here we go. And here are the lenses. They just pop right on to the Vision Pro. So take this off. Here's the Vision Pro. Here are the glasses. Just pop right on. Perfect. That's it. All right. That's all for the Vision Pro. this is what we have. We have our brick, our charger, our USB-C cable, um, a battery, Vision Pro, light light seal right here, a little cushion cover. Pull that off. Okay, this is very cool. I have the Vision Pro on my head, and I'm gonna get set up, and we're gonna get started with building very cool apps for the Vision Pro.